Here we can apply integration differentiation under integral sign. Here I is equal to integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus ax sin px. Up to this step we can integrate by using standard formula, but because of divided by x, this question is unsolvable. Okay, now cancel this x by using dis. Apply differentiation under integral sign by taking parameter. There are two constants a and p. Out of two, anyone consider parameter remaining is constant, but in example specially mention a is parameter. So by taking parameter a, then here x and p constant, xp become constant. Okay, now differentiate I partially with respect to a. Here ordinary operator because I having single variable a, but inside the integration there are two variable, original variable x, now dummy variable a. Differentiate partially with respect to a, keeping other than a constant, other than a sin px by x. अब ये हो गया डेरिवेटिव इनसाइड द इंटीग्रेशन. दिस नोटेशन इज पार्शियल. इसका मतलब होता है डिफरेंशिएट पार्शियली विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ए. इसका मतलब डिफरेंशिएट पार्शियली विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ए कीपिंग x constant, keeping x constant. Integral 0 to infinity sin px divided by x e raised to minus x, derivative e raised to minus x, again derivative of minus x, again derivative of minus x. Integral 0 to infinity sin px by x e raised to minus x, a derivative 1 remain minus x dx. This x cancel. Okay, now minus 0 to infinity e raised to minus x sin px dx. By formula e raised to x sin bx dx, e raised to x upon a square plus b square in bracket ab. तो here a sin bx minus b cos bx. Okay, sorry here middle minus. तो by using formula here capital A is minus a and b is p. Here integration di by dA is equal to minus e raised to minus ax divided by minus a का स्क्वायर प्लस p का स्क्वायर. Here minus a sin px minus p cos px, limit 0 to infinity, minus 1 by a square plus p square e raised to minus ax minus a sin px p cos px, 0 to infinity. Now put here e raised to minus infinity 0, sin 0 0, cos 0 1, and here sin infinity cos infinity lies between minus 1 and 1, मतलब having finite answer. Okay, so here after putting the value a square plus p square, put here infinity, first part 0, put here 0 a 1, sin 0 0, cos 0 1, so this is minus p, minus minus plus, again minus p by a square plus p square. Answer. Apply DIS. Apply DUIS by taking parameter A, di by dA is equal to integral 0 to infinity 1 by x square and differentiate partially with respect to A dx. Integral 0 to infinity 1 by x square log derivative 1 by 1 plus ax square, again derivative of 1 plus ax square dx, integral 0 to infinity 1 by x square 1 plus ax square 0, a का वैल्यू 1 x square dx, this cancel. by formula 1 by x square plus a square dx 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Okay, so here 0 to infinity a common, तो 1 by a x square dx, 1 by a constant, this is tan inverse x by 1 by root a, 1 by root a, but 1 by 1 by root a. Okay, so this answer limit 0 to infinity, तो root a divided by a tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse 0, tan inverse infinity pi by 2, tan inverse 0 0. So this is ti by dA is equal to 1 by root a, this is pi by 2 minus 0, यानी कि pi by 2 root a, this is di by dA. Now di is equal to pi by 2 1 by root a dA, variable separable form, just integrate. Here pi by 2 1 by root a dA plus c, by formula 1 by root x dx 2 root x plus c, pi by 2, this answer is 2 root a plus c, pi root a plus c, this is I. Okay, this is I. Find c, put here a is equal to, then I become 0. a की वैल्यू ऐसी डालो कि I 0 बनेगा. ओके, तो वी नो log 1 is 0, we know log 1 0, a की वैल्यू मैंने 0 डाला तो बचेगा log 1, log 1 0 मतलब I 0, log 1 0 मतलब I 0. तो पुट हियर a की वैल्यू 0 डालो, पुट हियर a is equal to 0, then I become 0. Here I is equal to 0, a also 0 plus c, तो c का वैल्यू 0, and hence I is equal to pi root a is required answer, pi root a is required answer. Okay, now e raised to x, there is standard formula, e raised to minus x integration e raised to minus ax by a, but because of denominator no standard formula for evaluation of this, hence you cancel. सपोज सेक है तो मैं ऊपर लेकर cos लिख सकता हूँ, e raised to x cos भी x फॉर्मूला है, but because of x ये प्रॉब्लम difficult to solve या sometimes unsolvable, Hence, you remove this x by dis. Apply differentiation under integral sign by taking parameter a. तो di by dA is equal to integral 0 to infinity 1 by x sec x, differentiate partially with respect to a, e raised to minus x, e raised to minus ax, and dx, integral 0 to infinity 1 by x sec x, e raised to x derivative 0, e raised to minus ax into derivative of minus ax and dx, integral 0 to infinity x sec x, e raised to minus ax minus a का डेरिवेटिव 1 x dx, x x cancel, minus और a minus become plus, and what is sec here? Cos. तो e raised to minus x cos x dx, because sec a या 1 by sec a is equal to cos a. By formula integration of e raised to x cos bx dx, e raised to x upon a square plus b square in bracket ab, a cos bx माइनस के बदले प्लस b sin bx, ओके, b sin bx. Here integration e raised to minus x divided by minus a का स्क्वायर प्लस 1 का स्क्वायर in bracket minus a cos x plus 1 sin x. Here a and b, a is a and b is 1. Limit 0 to infinity 1 by a square plus 1, inside bracket put infinity, e raised to infinity 0, put here 0, e raised to 0 1, cos 0 1 and sin 0 0. So this is minus a. Answer minus minus plus a by a square plus 1, a by a square plus 1. Now di by dA is equal to a by a square plus 1. di is equal to a by a square plus 1 dA, variable separable form. di here a by a square plus 1 dA plus c, I here by formula 1 by 2 log of a square plus 1 plus c, okay, plus c. By formula 1 by 2x x square plus 1 dx, आंसर log of x square plus 1. मतलब f dash x by f x. अगर डेरिवेटिव ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर लाइज इन न्यूमरेटर देन आंसर log f x. ओके, तो हियर यह आ गया फाइंड सी, पुट हियर a इज इक्वल टू, देन I बिकम 0. अब a की वैल्यू ऐसी डालो कि I 0 बनेगा. देखो इधर ये 0 आने के लिए ए अगर मैंने 1 लिया तो ई रेस टू माइनस एक्स माइनस ई रेस टू माइनस एक्स, ए की वैल्यू 1 ले लो, आई 0 बनेगा. तो हियर put here a is equal to 1, then I 0, a 0, 1 by 2, log 1 square is 1, so 1 plus 1 plus c, 0, 1 by 2, log 2 plus c is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 log 2, hence I is equal to half log of a square plus 1 minus half log 2, 1 by 2 log of a square plus 1 minus log 2, half log of a square plus 1 by 2. This is I, and I is equal to integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus x e raised to minus x divided by x sec x dx. Okay, this is required answer. Here 0 to infinity tan inverse p, suppose tan inverse problem है तो multiple by 1 and use by part, but because of denominator suppose 1 plus x square है then also by substitution method possible, but because of x this is unsolvable, hence we apply देखो जितने भी एग्जाम्पल आ गए, एक तो डिनोमिनेटर में x की वजह से डिफ़िकल्ट है. ओके, तो अप्लाई हियर DIS रूल, tan इनवर्स p बाय x 1 plus x square dx.